Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add ROMs to PokeD X55 in 2026. So first of all, you need to turn off your device. After that, you need to take out the second micro SD card, which is TF2, and this is where ROMs go. Then you need to use the micro SD card adapter or reader to connect it to your PC or your laptop. Once inserted, you just have to open it and you are going to see some of the folders which will be already created inside it. So among the folders that you see, you just have to look for the ROMs folder. Inside it, you are going to see some further folders like PS1 or PSP or NES or GBA. So here each of the folder is specific for specific console. So now you need to simply drag and drop your game files and put them into the correct folder. For example, the PS1 games will go into the PS1 folder, the GBA games will go to the GBA folders, and so on. Make sure that ROMs are in supported formats. After copying the files, you just have to eject the SD card safely from your computer. Then you need to insert it back into your PokeD X55. After doing so, simply turn it on and the system will automatically detect your games and add them to your library. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.